and watch the moon rise over Claddagh. The Claddagh, a small fishing village just across the bay from here, near Galway City.
No longer now a fishing village, but still well known for the ring which bears its name, the Claddagh ring. The original ring came into the possession of the wife of the mayor of Galway in the 16th century. It was in the style the Italians call fede, or faith ring. The emblem on the ring consists of two hands clasping a heart surmounted by a crown. The villagers wore it as a betrothal and wedding ring. During the betrothal, the ring was worn with the heart facing outwards, but during the wedding ceremony, the ring was reversed to show that her heart now belonged to her husband.
A romantic tale, surely. And for most folks, it's a romantic response, and a generous gesture in the tradition of King Cuaran. For we have chosen one from among you tonight to present such a Claddagh ring. And this evening, the honour goes to a lady celebrating a wedding anniversary, Lady Melanie.
The winds that blow across the sea from Ireland.
Also, these parents are